Welcome on this video, guys. So in this video we'll cover what is a comprehension and what is a list comprehension, what is a dictionary comprehension, what is tuple comprehension, and what is the meaning of actual meaning of comprehension, and why comprehension is a compact way, and in industry why comprehension is a and good practice for writing and short code and reduce the length of code, right guys? So first of all we will see what is the meaning of comprehension and what is the meaning of list comprehension and different data types of comprehension. So comprehension is a way to writing a new sequence, right guys? Comprehension is a way to writing and generating new sequence from existing sequence, right? So it means suppose we have one list sequence, right? List 1 equals to, we have one list sequence 1 2 3 4 5. So from this sequence we can create new sequence, right? So what is the definition of comprehension? So comprehension is a way to generate a new sequence from existing sequence, right? So now we have to perform this list comprehension with this list one list, right guys? So I will create one more list, it's a new sequence, right? So list 2 equals to, I will create one more list. So now we have to generate a new sequence from existing this list 1 sequence, right? So we can create list sequence and list comprehension in this square bracket, right? So now we have to return the those data item from list 1 which are the odd number, right? Which are the odd numbers, which are the, so now you can see here there are only three data elements inside a list 1 which are the odd. First one is a 1 3 and 5. Now so we have to return the this new sequence from existing sequence. So I will simply print for I in in list 1. So now we have to make one condition, right guys? We have to make one condition. Which condition we have to condition? Right condition, the number which are divided not divided by 2 and equals to 0, these all are the odd number, right? So I will put one request, put one condition here by using if if condition, right? So I will write if I is divided by 2 and not equals to 0, right? Not equals to 0, then print I. Otherwise it not return any other number, right? So now I will print list 2 control s F5. You can see here guys, we have printed only, the odd number sequence from existing sequence. It means we can generate new sequence from existing sequence by using comprehension. So comprehension, we can perform for loop, while loop, and any other function by using this comprehension, right? Comprehension is a compact way and fast way, right guys? So now we will perform one more operation by using this list tool, right guys? So one second guys. So now we'll perform one more comprehension by using this comprehension. So now we have to return the odd number. If first item is odd, then it return odd, right? Otherwise it return a even, right? So now we'll write one more list comprehension by using list comprehension. So I will print for I in list 1 list 1 list 1 print expression. So it print even if I divided by I divided by 2 equals to 0, else it return odd, right guys? So now you can see it have returned the all all odd and even number in our list. It means we have written the existing sequence, we have written the new sequence from existing sequence, right guys? So like that we can perform the comprehension and list comprehension with list, right guys? So next one, so now we have to perform the dictionary comprehension, right guys? So I will create one dictionary, I will create one more dictionary, dict one, right? And in it one I will pass key and value. First one will be username, I'll pass username will be Ajay. Second one will be password, right? And my password is 1234. We can put in only integer, right? So now we have to return this dictionary as a key value. Here is a what is a key? It's a key is a username and value is a Ajay. So we have to return the Ajay as a key and username as a value, right? So we can perform and we can generate new sequence from existing sequence. I will create one more list, one more dictionary, and we have to perform dictionary comprehension. So i will print I will print this. I will write one empty dictionary. How to declare empty dictionary? By using curly bracket, open curly bracket and close curly bracket, we can create empty dictionary, right? So we'll return values comma keys, right? Values comma keys for keys comma values in where in dict1 dot items, right? And now I will print the list 2, dictionary 2, right? And so you can see here guys, we have printed the we have written the all our key as value and value as a key by using comprehension, right guys? So like that you can use comprehension for dictionary and also for list. So you have clear guys, we have covered the all topic about comprehension, what is comprehension and what is the use of list comprehension, how to perform list comprehension, how to perform dictionary comprehension. It means we can perform every operation with dictionary in only line, only single line. And it's a compact way, it's faster way. We can reduce the length of code, we can reduce the length, or we can reduce the size of our code. It's a faster way and compact way. So it's clear guys how to use dictionary comprehension and how to use uh, list comprehension, right? Thank you guys. So we'll see you in the next video, sir.